How to find deleted friends in Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find deleted friends in Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Snapchat. After you've opened up your Snapchat, you can head over to your Bitmoji on the top left. Now, after you're here, simply head over to your settings by tapping on the gear icon on the top right. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to scroll down till you find your privacy control section, and under there at the bottom you'll find my data. Tap on my data. Now what we're planning on doing here is we're planning on downloading each and every data that you have. Now by that I mean you can select your data. So first you might want to log in into your Snapchat here. So simply log in into your Snapchat. After you type in your user ID, simply type in your password and then tap on next. Now it will just take its time and take you to your data, so you will get to choose what you want to download. And from here you can see that you can select data to include. From here you can choose your memories, your chat, your shared stories, your export HTML files, your JSON files, information such as your friends and stuff like that. So the one that we want is actually user information. After you find that, simply select that, and then if you scroll down you can just unselect each and everything else if you want to, or if you want something specific you can just choose that as well. So after doing that, I'm just going to tap on next here. Now I can choose the period of time where I have deleted or I had that friend. So just select the timeline and then tap on submit. Now, as you can see right here that your data will be created, and after your data has been created, you will be able to download it. As you can see, you will receive an email when your export is done. And that is basically all. Now, after you get the email, you can check your deleted friends in Snapchat. And that is all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.